Because your love is getting me saying my
That's all.
Yeah.
And your boy,
Yeah.
Chris Sonz.
What's up, sirs? Yeah. I am the Arkutec.
Mr. Simon.
Yeah. And we just gonna get it to y'all like we used to do it. Like we always do. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Here we go. Look, hey, let's go. I be down for the L-O-R-D. No, you see the army. Has died and we poppin', that's what we all need. If you can remember, hey, you can pick your phone up, pick your phone up. I'm for that gruff music, Charlie, you see I grown up. I put my heart in his music and now I put my heart in his movement and now we, hey, you can hate it if you want to. Bishop, all you want, I be the letter Q. They like me an architect, you got a lot of juice. I tell them, show you right, that is what my God can do. I put my right hand on it as I stand chest out, like show me my opponent. But a man, no doubt, see a bill, I bet we own it. Rockin' stage after stage for the homie. Hey, let me see him. Let me see him. Hey, let me see him. Okay, look, everybody at home, sitting at your computer, sitting on your phone, sitting at your screen. I need y'all to get y'all hands up and rock with us. I need all y'all to get y'all hands up and rock with us.
You heard what he said.
So when we come back around again, we gonna get it, all right? Look.
It's like you're my favorite brand name. You always cover my back, looking like the cutest couple. Lord, we such the perfect match, and it's amazing. Your grace is erasing my pain. And what's crazy is lately it's hard to explain why you love me like you do. Lord, I know I don't deserve. Get me out here like a fool when I once was so reserved. Might have heard that he's good, but it's better if you know. You can place him where you at. What trust is better if you grow. Got me open like no defenses on me. Now watch me the way that I explore your presence. For should pay me on their doors. God, I'm yours. What you need? Who you want me to reach? My mama smiling cause she know her son ain't out in the streets, but others are. So I'm far from finished putting in work. The joy I feel, find it hard to capture it with these words. I immerse myself in your presence, since that is why I'm dripping with confidence. Cause Jehovah is made me fly, boy.
Hey, let me see him. Hey, let me see him. Hey, let me see him. Hey, put him up high. Put him up high. Put him up high. Y'all ready? Come on. Hey, let me see your hands. 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 Hey, get them up high. Hey, get them up high. Hey, get them up high. Get them up high. Yeah. I see it. I give it. I give it all. I give it. I give it. I give it. Hey, I give it. I give it. I give it all. Yeah. Look, I give it all to you. 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 Hey, because your love has got me saying, my heart's open. Take it, Lord, I give it up. Hey, because your love has got me saying, my heart's open. Take it, Lord, I give it up. Hey, because your love has got me saying, my heart's open. Take it, Lord, I give it up. Yeah, y'all with me? Because your love has got me, my heart, you take it. Yeah, I give it all to you. All right, so we're gonna stay in the past before we come to the present. Okay. Next song we're gonna do is called Breakdown. Okay. Says I ain't come this far, I ain't worked this hard for me to doubt God. I will not. Break down. Let's go. Some of y'all may know it, some of y'all may not. It's cool. Yeah. Rock out with us, man. The Sonz of the Most High, LiveRoom sessions, RedLTV.com. Yeah. We just do something like this. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. You just took me back with me. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Look. I ain't come this far. 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 I ain't come this far, but work this hard for me to doubt God. I will not quit. I ain't make it through the week just to see defeat. I'm sorry that ain't me. I will not quit. I ain't come this far or work this hard for me to doubt God. I will not. I ain't make it through the week just to seek defeat. I'm sorry that ain't me. I will not break. No, I will not break. No, I will not break down.
I got it honest. My mama taught me how to worship. Perfect example how to make it through, although you hurting. Nothing was working. I thought that I wouldn't make it out. Circumstances would arise. My first reaction was doubt. Worry, stressing about bills getting paid. Every prophetic word was saying abundance on the way. Truly a test of faith. Saw money was being made by those who care less about church or being saved. Daily thought I would break, but bread was being given. Abundance ain't always money. The peace he gives to his children, reason enough to strive. Thankful that I'm alive. If the wages of sin, death, yeah, I should have died. So good night to the nonsense that tries to plague my mind. You will find that I'm confident in the Savior of mine. In due time, I will have what was promised by design. Until then, if you're off of sin, sorry I decline. Hey,
I ain't come this far or work this hard for me to doubt God. I will not. I ain't make it through the week just to seek defeat. I'm sorry that ain't me. I will not. I ain't come this far or work this hard for me to doubt God. I will not. I ain't make it through the week just to seek defeat. I'm sorry that ain't me. I will not break. No, I will not break. Yeah. No, I will not. Okay, I'm sorry if it's arrogant you getting from me. Hey, but I'm not about the ignorance you send it to. Bring it to me, pitch it to me, hand it to me. Hey, I'm official in the issue that you dealing's not my. Saying my optics is a man with a crew full of bosses. Hell, 7 straight lanes. If you thinking that I'm no sir, not an option. I ain't opting out on him. Show enough if you hate dog. I done lost plenty friends and gained more enemies. Even those I don't know wanna put an enemy. Shooting up my car, pulling guns in my face. What's next won't make me fall, little buddy. I ain't brace, so the race seem hard. I just tie my lace, set a pace, and let God have quest my way. If with faith, then with him I'll rest in place. But I will not stop, cause I fell on my face. I will not break down. Come this far, or work this hard for me to doubt God. I will not break down.
Make it through the week just to see defeat. I'm sorry that ain't me.
No, I will not break down.
Come this far or work this hard for me to doubt God.
No, I will not break down.
I ain't make it through the week just to see defeat.
I'm sorry that ain't me. I will not break. No, I will not break. No, I will not break down.
All right, so this last song before we get out of here is from my brother's project, the Arkutec. Eyes wide, ears wider.
Yes, sir.
It's called Traffic. Let's get into it.
Yeah, you know, when you're in traffic, you gotta be careful, cause in the shot they run up on you real quick. Ain't no lacking in the go. You'll never see it coming.
We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'. All action, got no time for a discussion.
No discussion.
Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen on the night. We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'. All action, got no time for a discussion.
No discussion.
Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen. They say, Mark, why you clutching? You supposed to be a Christian. Aside from all my traumas, did you see how they get fizzled? Got to be more careful in the city where I'm from. In my city, they go dumb. Catch you while you slip and leave you numb. Age don't matter. Heard a yummy, they tuck them under tummies at the light, your engine running, they be hopping out in threes. Can't be lacking texting, or they snatch you out your V. Catch you on the E-way, they might stretch you for a T. Spin the block again and hit your mama while she sleep. I'm paranoid, catch me looking in my rear view. Watching lights, I've been followed more than a time or two. Praying every day, I see change while I'm looking in the work to make a difference in this game. Switching lanes is the only way we winning. Who needs fame? I've been told when I speak to people, listen, watch me reach them on this mission. We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'. All action, got no time for what discussion.
No discussion.
Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen on the night. We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'. All action, got no time for what discussion.
No discussion.
Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen on the night.
I've been victimized before, it's like it's an everlasting war. They say bullets do not have a name, well I'm praying that they seeking yours. Now I'm gripped up even at the store. See you looking what you're staring for. I ain't going out for none at all. Try to jump, I'm hitting one of y'all. And it's crazy, I ain't even gang related, but this just how I gotta play it. Please Lord, don't let me have to kill one of these babies. I ain't going out, so I'm finna make it back to the crib. This is what it is, I ain't finna play. Think it's games, man, take a minute, look me in the face. Wrong move, buddy, and I'm coming off the waist. Get out of line, get steady, put you in your place. On me. Breathe, I might lose my cool, but can you blame me all I've been through? No excuses, still try to move with love and respect. Grown man in effect, and no, I don't pose a threat unless I see you on that. Yeah. We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'.
All action, got no time for what discussion. Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen on the night. We in traffic through the city
And it's bustin'.
all action,
Got no time for what discussion.
Keep it tight and watch your moves as you slide. Ain't no telling what may happen on the night. Thank y'all for rocking with us. For tuning into RedL TV. This is LiveRoom Sessions. I am your boy, the Arkutec,
Mr. Simon.
and we are Sonz.
We in traffic through the city and it's bustin'.
And it's bussin'.